tutorial on how to play Dan+shay Tequila. We're in standard tuning. We've got a capo on our 4th fret here. We've got 4 chords, a C chord, a G chord, a D chord, and an E minor chord. If you already know how to play those chords, go ahead and skip ahead in the video, and you can skip to where I'll be teaching you the progression. For now, I'll be teaching you the chords. So we're going to start out with our C chord here. You're going to have your index finger on the 1st fret of the B string, which is the 2nd string up. 1st fret of the B string. Middle finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of your D string. That's your 3rd string down. 1, 2, 3. That's your 3rd string down there. And your middle finger, or your ring finger actually, is going to be on the 3rd fret of the A string, which is the 2nd string down. And we're going to strum from the 2nd string down. Okay, so we also have an E minor chord. In this E minor chord, you're going to have your middle finger on that 2nd fret of the A, and your ring finger is going to be on the 2nd fret of the D string. And you can play all 6 strings. For your G chord, your ring finger is going to be all the way up on the 3rd fret of the high E. Middle finger is going to be on the 3rd fret of the low E, and your index finger over here is going to be on the 2nd fret of the A string. For your D chord, you have your index finger on the 2nd fret of the G, middle fingers on the 2nd fret of the high E, and your ring finger is on the 3rd fret of the B string, and you play from the 3rd string down. D, G, B, E string. So those are our chords. Now let's get into the progression here. So the verse starts out just strumming like this, so it goes C, G, D, E minor, C, G, D, E minor. So that's without the strumming pattern that comes in the chorus. In the chorus they actually also start picking. So you can do that as well. There's a bunch of different ways you can do it, but the main thing is the progression is C to G to D to E minor. One way you could do it is you could just strum once in the verse, and then once the chorus comes you can pick up a strumming pattern like this. So the strumming there would be down, down, up, down, up. And on that transition you switch to your G, down, up, down, down, down. To your D chord, down, down, up, down, up. Switch to your E minor, down, up, down, down, down. That's all there is to it. So that's the progression that's played throughout most of the entire song. There is a bridge, and the bridge sounds like this. And then it leads right back into the chorus. So the progression for that bridge is C, C, E minor, and then it goes back to your C, 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 D, and I will go ahead and write those chords out in the notes of the video, so if you'd like to see the exact progression for the chorus, the verse, and the bridge, they'll be written up in the description of the video. Again, the chorus is just C, G, D, and E minor. And that's it. That's pretty much the progression throughout the entire song. So that's going to be it for this tutorial. If you have questions, go ahead and comment below. If you'd like to see more tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.